Right guys, so in this video I'll be trading FOMC live. So I'm currently already in a trade right now. I did not record it from the beginning because I didn't really intend to be documenting this trade. However, since we have FOMC coming out at 7 p.m. as you can see, and my analysis is looking good, I'm going to take a risk and hold this trade because everything is looking solid. Now if you guys stick around to the end, I'll give you guys a breakdown as to why I've taken this trade. But for now, let's trade FOMC live and see if we can get this TP hit. Now whilst we are waiting, I have entered this trade on my personal account, as you can see right over here. Currently we are floating around £675. I want to be targeting, like I said, round about these highs right over here, and that will get us around 1.5k. So let's wait and see. I have also called this trade out in my trade ideas channel. As you can see, I said looking for buys on GBPJPY, and then I called the buys, and currently we was floating as such. So if you guys are interested in catching these calls, even the previous day on Monday, I also called a nice banger as well. So if you guys are interested to join the signals group, the link will be in the description down below to also benefit and capture these moves with me. Right guys, so we've got around 1 minute 40 seconds left to go before FOMC comes out. Let's just wait and see how it goes. If I drop down on the 5 minute, I think the 5 minute will give us the most dramatic effect of FOMC. What I do want to see, even if FOMC was to spike down a bit before that push up, I won't be surprised because sometimes it does become a bit erratic, but ultimately I do want to see it pushing to the upside. And if we can maybe start finding some weakness around here or even around over here, then I'll look to close. But ideally, if we can hit the ultimate TP at the highs over here, taking out liquidity, that will be the best and give us the biggest profit as well. Right, I'm going to bring up the MT5 as it will give us a faster response, and we can see the P&L fluctuating as well. So we've got near enough a minute left to go. Let's see what happens. This is also going to be the 1 hour close as well. So if we come on over to the 1 hour, see how that's looking. The 1 hour does look quite strong. So let's see. Oh, the spreads have gone absolutely crazy. Let's see what happens. Come down to the 5 minute. Let's get a better view on the 30 minute. Let's see. Alright, it is looking good. Let's see if we can break up these highs. If not, I might look to close. Let's see. Right guys, so now I'm just going to look to close this trade over here, securing around £830 profit, because we are coming to the end of the New York session now, so price will start to slow down, and I'm more than happy with the profit made. So to be honest, I can't be asked to exhaust myself and hold any longer. Right guys, so I'm going to give you a trade breakdown. You will see that I called out GJ buys, so I'll be breaking down why exactly I took these buy opportunities and shared it with you guys live to also be able to take part and actually see the trade play out in real time. So if you start off on the daily time frame, if I use the replay tool right over here, this is what made me interested in the beginning, because if you see, prices come back down into our daily level of demand and given us a nice rejection candle. Now once I saw that, I immediately wanted to target these sub daily highs over here, as you can see. Now if you are interested as to how I've exactly marked these levels out, because there's a specific rule to this will be in my structure based trading course. So if you guys are interested, I will be dropping a Black Friday sale for that course as well on a nice discount, so you guys can capitalize off that education as well. So anyways, as far as the daily time frame was concerned, we can see this higher low point being formed. Prices come back into this and given us a nice rejection candle as seen. Then if we drop down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see if we play price along a bit, because at that point we was around here. So as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we again are respecting this daily level, and we've seen several rejection candles from this daily demand level. The 4-hour was just an added confluence, but ultimately it was the hourly time frame which is where we look to take our entries. So if we see, currently price is forming a downtrend with lower lows and lower highs being created, and then at this point over here, price has failed to create a lower low, and we've seen an accumulation of volume being formed. Now this volume bar here is very powerful. We've seen this nice push up, then a minor retracement back down. As you can see, it took 3 candles to retrace only 50% of this volume candle over here. So it shows you that bearish pressure is dying out, and then we can ultimately see a nice push up, which I entered at the close of this hourly candle because we got a nice bullish engulfing. Stops were just below these lows right over here, and ultimately my target was this sub daily level as seen over here. And so once price did push up, it was around this level here where I saw price beginning to struggle, which is our 1-hour supply, and then I ultimately ended up closing the trade roughly around over here. But as you can see, price played along the next day. Once New York session ended, the beginning of Asia session into London session, we've seen TP being hit for where we originally was targeting.